Hello YouTubers, if you have Ford Transit 2020 or similar models and you hear a horrible grinding noise coming from the back, so here's an idea for you. In my case, check out the caliper, how it loose, and when you braking, it actually sounds like your pads are wore out and you're grinding against metal on metal. But what it is, I mean, in your case maybe could be something else, but Ford Transit 2020 just a horrible, flimsy, not as reliable as my 2015 Ford Transit. First of all, this sliding pins snapped on me already. I replaced them before, but guess what, Ford don't sell those. So you could find a video on my channel that I tried to use sliding pins from Ford 2015, bought it in AutoZone or O'Reilly's, and apparently they're not perfect fit or something. But anyway, you could see how loose this thing compare. I mean, my other side is rock solid. This one is, those sliding pins are wobbly inside this. So I mean, to replace this, I mean, it's really simple. Really, you gotta undo this one bolt over here, one bolt on the bottom, two bolts. I mean, obviously gonna have to remove the caliper, reinstall it, but that's the Ford part number, LK4Z-25, I mean 2B511-B. I don't know if the driver's side is the same, but that's on in my case it's passenger side. So a while back, this sliding pins just snapped on me, and Ford, obviously, to make some extra money, they do not sell just those sliding pins. You have to buy this whole caliper bracket. I guess the good thing it's coming with sliding pins with the new rubber boots and, well, new piece of metal. So I don't know what happened over here. Maybe it just wore out, or maybe it's just poor quality metal, but this is just an idea for you. In my case, beside the grinding noise, if you're gonna check on the pads, it actually wore out twice or three times as fast as the driver's side. Driver's side, everything's fine, and brake pads are fine, but now I have to do both sides to match. I mean, not fine, but they're like 60%. I could go probably another year on them, but now I have to replace them to match this side, because this side, because it's wobbly, it just wore out. And another thing, you could see this sliding plate or spring, whatever, the pads sliding on this side, it actually somehow got slid off and grind against the rotor. So that's the video. If you have a problem like that, you hear a horrible grinding noise when you're braking or releasing the brake. I mean, when you're just driving, it's fine, but when you're braking, you hear this horrible noise, metal on metal. And it's, in my case, something got to do with this, because it's not supposed to be as loose. It's not on my other side. And again, if you're gonna check the sliding pins over here, they are super tight. They're not moving at all. So that's the video. If you have a problem like that, good luck. Here's the difference with the new bracket. Not just there's no noise, but there's basically no movement. So we'll see how it goes on the road, but I'm pretty sure that's my problem.